Hi, can you introduce yourself?
So my name is Tilika Gupta. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing bachelor's in design as a second year student.
What are the main challenges when it comes to creating an ecological piece of art?
So I think to create an ecological piece of art, sourcing the right material can be a challenge where you have to actually go and check if the material that they're opting for, the artist is opting for, is actually sustainable, eco-friendly, I might say, and affordable, because the sustainable materials out there are not really affordable because they're available in a very limited amount. So that becomes a challenge. Also, I think a major challenge would be to create a lasting impact, because an ecological art, as I saw, has it's a sculpture. It can't be there forever because even it has a shelf life. So to have a lasting impact on the person's mind, which is the main mission of the art, can be a big challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are skills that are required when designing an ecological piece of art?
Skills to design a ecological piece of art. So I think first being the knowledge on the sustainable materials, because as we are developing, we are finding out more materials that are sustainable and that are eco-friendly, good for the environment. So having a knowledge of these, I would say the materials, how do they work, what's the impact on the environment and everything. Second, being the technical skills. So you have the materials, but how to actually work with them is also a skill which is required. Like if it's for fashion, I might add, if it's a dress, impactful dress, so you need to see how it can be sewn into the dress or the materials. So that's a skill. Next, being creativity. Okay, that's the major one. So as I said before, the materials, they're available in a limited quantity, even the recycled materials or the reused materials. So to actually think about it in a creative manner or to innovate something that will be lasting forever in people's mind, that is also a skill I think which is required.
Lastly, how do you think that ecological products can bring a change in the society and also in the environment?
So the impact of ecological products in the society would be in the way or the nazariya, I might say, of the consumers, where they'll actually have a change in their behavior of purchasing. So they'll make some conscious purchases. If you see a ecological product, a person or the consumer might have a look at it and it will raise awareness in their mind to be like, oh my god, the products I'm using or I used to use is such harmful or so harmful for the environment out there. So to have like that would be the impact on the society. For the environment, of course, since ecological products are made up of sustainable materials that are good for the environment, so it will help in, I guess, reduction of pollution, the us consciously using, the businesses consciously using the resources, because ecological product doesn't actually only mean to use materials that are sustainable, but to also see the production of the material is sustainable and to actually the product itself to be sustainable. So it will quite make an impact over there.
Thank you so much for interviewing with us and sharing your valuable knowledge.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be a part of this.